Welcome to Occam's Razors, gardening, cooking, and canning. It's today's growth update, and it is a beautiful morning. Next 3 days are giving us more chances of rain. Just chances, 30 and 60%. It's best to get the rain. It's the inexpensive way to water your garden. Yes, well, no berries yet. They will come. Like on the second year branches like this one. And here's our potatoes in the compost pile. Just a massive amount. From one or two potatoes, or three. I think it was about 2 or 3 potatoes I threw in here. All right. Well, the white peonies are always the last ones to come out. Amongst the peonies, that is. Because I've got some red and pink ones down the way. And look at this. They're all blooming. And how's a little tomato? Oh, looks like they're growing fine. And the peppers are doing good. I'm not having any luck here having these sunflowers come up in these pots this year. Good. Still being left alone. Mostly. And nothing for that one too. All right. Well, let's keep walking down here. And voila. Today's bloom. It's a shame they don't last longer. You see them squeaking out for days at a time, and then they bloom, and then after a day they're done. Now, onto the peas. There's one coming up right there. See if he survives the pea apocalypse going on here amongst the critters who are just not helping at all. Well, at least these ones are coming up. I left a few more plants there. Well, let's look at the corner potatoes. Well, I did some weeding yesterday. Last spot for me to weed. And I did find a few more plants. Quite a few, actually. There's one there. Let's go one there. Another one here. Here. And here. And there. And there. Right, so as usual, I prevaricate, and really there's nothing to worry about. Okay. Let's look at these. Now, I think you should be noticing a bit of a quality picture change today. I found the quality settings on my camera. I was kind of wondering why the quality was so bad. Definitely crisper on this side of the screen anyway. Ah yes, Little squirrel there, digging up his grubs. Which is interesting that he would do it in the onion bed, because they don't like onions. Ooh. Well, that's better. There we go. Okay. The squashes are doing fine. And so is, look at this sage plant just blooming like crazy. Oh. Everything is going according to plan. More weeding to do. So planting the veggies and watching them grow, but they never tell you about all the weeding that you need to do. But then again, that's the price for almost free food, especially in today's ever-increasing food costs. All right, well, everything's growing according to plan. Let's go in the front and have a look. Okay. Everything is blooming just beautifully. And we will see if the other couple of squashes that I found are surviving. Oh, good, they are. There they are right there. I almost killed one, taking the weeds out yesterday. So propped it up there with a little stick. Didn't think it would survive, but who knows, maybe the strength will return. And our little sunflower. Another sunflower. And the other sunflower. Okay. Let's check our squash in the back. There we go. And the other fella. Oh, yes. Obviously likes that I've cleared most of the weeds around it. Okay. This one's coming along. More climbing. Yesterday I was saying keep an eye on this faucet. It's almost covered. And let's move on to the bird shit berry bush. Oh yes. Man, these are just about getting ready to put me to work. Just a massive amount. It's the biggest haul this year. All right. Now I see all this work ahead of me and I don't get anxious. I'm happy. We'll see you next time on Occam's Gardening, Cooking and Canning. Bye-bye.